Deep in the meadow, Bloozey heard a strange sound. Achoo! Who's sneezing in the flowers? There he was, a baby dragon with a big red nose. Aiacho. The sneeze made the flowers do a cartwheel. Your sneeze is magic. Every sneeze caused something silly to happen. Made a rainbow appear, sideways. Turned balloons into bouncing jelly beans. Made socks fly off Bloozey's feet. I'm sorry. Don't be. Your sneezes are amazing. Bloozey made the dragon a warm cup of lemon honey tea. Ah, no more sneezing. Suddenly, the dragon breathed a tiny puff of glitter, not fire. Your first dragon sparkle. And from that day on, every sparkle sneeze meant fun was on the way. For more interesting videos, subscribe to 1, 2, 3 ABC Kids Fun YouTube channel.